This is Upama Sherpa, and in this video today I will tell you how you can turn off commenting on your Instagram post. So in order to do that, first you need to download the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded the Instagram application on mobile device, you need to create an account or log in to it with your existing account. Once you have logged into your Instagram account, the page will look something like this. So let's start by making a brand new post. If you want your comment disabled on it, what you gotta do is just click on the plus button, select an image to post. So once you have selected an image to post, here is where you need to make some changes. Now if you go to the bottom, you can see advanced setting. Tap onto the advanced setting. You can see turn off commenting. Tap on turn off commenting. Now you can see that it will turn blue, which means as soon as the photo is posted, you will see there's no option to comment below the image or the post you have posted. Now you have turned off commenting for your Instagram post. So if you ever change your mind and you want comment back into your post, then you will find it in the exact same spot. You can see the three dots. Click in the three dots. At the very last, you can see turn on commenting. You have to tap onto the turn on commenting. So once you have pressed on turn on commenting, you will see the comment button is back in your post. Now your user will be able to comment on the post. So this is not the permanent option. You can turn it off and on anytime you like. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and keep updated for more videos like this. Thank you.